Hi, today I want to show you how you can get a new password or an expired password from URA. URA passwords expire every 3 months and it's for security reasons. So this would be a good way for you to learn in case you want to get a new password. So what you need to know is the email that you registered with is going to be needed for you to be successful. So just go and click onto the login. Okay, click onto the portal. Okay, and in this case I'll go to forgot password, and for password I'm going to need my login ID and my email. Okay, then the security code. So my login ID is usually my TIN number or your TIN number. So just put that in, and that's my TIN number. I already have it saved, so I've just added it. And my email, I'll have it added, and then the security GRSRYV, and I'll submit. Okay. So you can see a password has been sent to your email ID. So I'll quickly run to my email and just try and refresh this. Give it a minute or two if it is too delay. Okay, there it is, quick, less than a minute, and I'll click on that. So they'll give me a temporary password and email, a temporary password to use. And what I'll do is, so you cannot just copy and paste, you have to type manually. Okay, so I'll go back and to the portal, and okay, close this. So enter your TIN number and then enter this new TIN number, the new password that has been sent. Make sure not to just copy and paste. Let me just copy and paste and see if it will work anyway. You see that I'm pasting and nothing. So it's important to just type it manually. It's still for your security reasons. So BPM 6U. Let me just enter it. Capital M and 69. Okay. Then I'll enter this again. Please always try to pay attention to the numbers or digits that you have given you here. And there's no need for this for Visual Keyboard for password unless you have issues with your keyboard. Let's log in. There it is. Good. So what I want you to know is they'll prompt you to create your own password. Okay. Again, this happens every 3 months. So the old password, you will enter this password that they have just sent you. This becomes your old password. So let me just enter that. Okay, this is the old password, the one that just came in. And then the new password, this is now going to be you to initiate a new fresh password. Okay, let me just say okay, as a precaution, please always when you're entering password, try to make it strong, and that is by maybe you put a caps lock, 1 letter capital letter, put a hash probably somewhere, make your digits unique, not just avoid using your names. This is all just for security purposes. As we all know, cyber security is on a high. Okay, then submit. And that's it. Password has been changed successfully. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial, and hope it helps. Don't forget your passwords always, please.